art students. I am Miss Russ and I'm going to show you today how to use some supplies at the Architecture Center. Now this is skill level A, which means we are just starting to learn how to build because architects build things. So we are going to learn how to use, the tape dispenser today to tape things down, because before we can build three-dimensionally, we have to know how to stick it all together. Okay, let's get started. So we are going to go ahead and we will have our sketchbook, and in our sketchbook we will write our name. We always write our name, and after we wrote our name right here on this line, then we're going to circle that we're going to the Architecture Center. And at Architecture, we are in skill level A, so we're going to write an A. Then let's get out this tape dispenser and see how to make it work. So Miss Russ has a little song to go with the tape dispenser, and it goes like this. A little, little, little goes a long, long way. Ooh, let's have you try it with me. A little, 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 and then you say, goes a long, long way. Awesome! So, how do we make the tape dispenser work? Well, first off, we take turns, and we only get one piece of tape at a time. Then we take the tape dispenser, and with one hand we hold it, and the other hand we take the tape and we lift it off. Once we've lifted it off, we're then going to pull out a little, 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 because we know a little, little, little does what? Goes a long, long way. Okay, then we have to take our other hand and we go on top of the metal. So I'm pushing down. Then I'm going to take this tape, and I don't want to go straight down like this. It won't work. I'm going to go towards myself. So I'm going to pull so it comes towards my body. So towards my body, I got myself some tape. Okay, now what do? Well, I let a friend use the tape dispenser because now it's their turn, and I have to tape something down. Well, the next thing I have to learn, is how do I take care of art supplies? So your teacher is going to have a bunch of different little colored pieces of paper for you to tape down, and they're going to have them sorted by color. And your job is to make sure that you only pick out one thing that you need, because we only have one piece of tape. So we tape down one thing, and then we would always put the colors back. So we would take our one thing and we would put it in our book, hold it with one hand, and then tape it down with the other. Oh, did you see what I did with my thumb? Rub, rub, rub. If you just put the tape down and don't do the rub, oh no, the tape won't work. After you've taped one piece down, you're going to wait your turn until you get another piece of tape and tape down something new. Happy art creating, and make sure to stay safe with the tape dispenser, because you know what? It can cut your fingers if you forget to hold down with one on the metal. Happy art creating. Bye!